Hey our friends, today we're going to draw the new Minecraft puppy. We're using our markers to draw and color with. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. You can use markers or whatever you have, like pencils or even crayons. All right, let's get started. Let's first draw our puppy's head. We're going to draw a big square. We're going to draw it a little to the left so that we have room for the body on the right. So we'll draw the left side of the head, and then we want the length of this line to be the same as this one. So we're going to use our eyes to try to measure and guess, or you could use a ruler if you want to be exact. Then we're going to draw the top. So if the left side is just as long as the bottom, then it will be a square instead of a rectangle. There we go. Now we can draw the ears, and we want those to be squares also. So this length, we want to try to match with the top, and then we'll come down. There's our first ear, and then we're going to draw the right ear to match. And it's okay if they're a little different. There's our puppy's ears. Now let's draw the snout. We're going to draw a rectangle shape down here towards the bottom. So the bottom of the rectangle is touching the bottom of the face or the square. Then we can draw another square that's smaller inside for the nose. And now let's draw the same size square for the eyes. We're going to draw it just slightly off, so not perfectly lined up with the nose, but then we're going to go just past the snout and then come back in. So we're trying to make that the same size. It's okay if it's a little different. Then we're going to draw that same size square for the right eye. Yeah, there we go. Now we can color the eyes and also the nose in solid black. Remember, if I ever go too fast or we speed up the video, you can pause the video for more time. Okay, now we're ready to draw the body. And we're going to draw a rectangle shaped diagonal so that our puppy is sitting on the ground. We're going to start about halfway on the bottom of our puppy's head. And we're going to draw the diagonal line coming down to the right. And I'm going to stop there just in case we need to go a little bit longer. We're going to draw the front legs next. Let's start really close to the top, and we're going to draw that diagonal line coming down. And we want the rectangle shape about this big. I think this will work. Let's go there, and then we're going to go, so it's about 2 pixels wide and 3 pixels long. I think that's about right. Then I want to extend this side down so that it touches. This is the ground right here. So we want the back of the body touching or coming down to the same length. Then we're going to draw the back legs sitting down. So we're going to draw them coming straight across, almost. And then we're going to go into or behind the front legs. And then because we want these to be the same width as this. So it's a little crowded in here, but that's okay. There's our back legs sitting down. Now we're ready to draw the rest of the body. We can start here. We're going to draw it coming up to the right, and then we'll come all the way up here, and we can draw, actually, let's start here, and then we want to match this diagonal line over here. So we're going to draw this coming up, and then right at the top, we can draw just the short one coming back in. And then we need the tail, and the tail sticks out straight, but let's draw it coming up so we have room. We're not going to go off the paper. I'm going to draw it sticking up. We're going to draw it up, over, and then back down. There's our puppy. We did it. We finished drawing our new Minecraft puppy, except we still need to color it. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. I really hope you'll take time to color your drawings and even finish your drawing by adding a background, especially a Minecraft background with grass and even maybe more puppies. You can also change the type of puppy by coloring it completely different. And you can also change the breed of your puppy by changing the colors completely. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.